Who elects the Vice President of India? A. House of the People. B. Both Houses of Parliament. C. Council of States. D. Both Houses of Parliament and State Legislatures. इसका राइट आंसर है बी, बोथ हाउसेज ऑफ पार्लियामेंट। चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया may be removed by A. Resolution of cabinet by two-third majority. B. Resolution of both houses. C. On recommendation of Chief Justice of India. D. None of these. इसका राइट आंसर है डी, नन ऑफ दीज। The largest committee of Parliament of India is A. Public Accounts Committee. B. Estimates Committee. C. Committee on Public Undertakings. D. Joint Parliamentary Committee. इसका राइट आंसर है बी, एस्टिमेट्स कमेटी। Ordinance promulgated by President under Article 123 of the Constitution of India shall cease to operate after 3 months, 6 months, 6 weeks, 15 days. इसका राइट आंसर है सी, 6 weeks. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha enjoys A. The right to vote only in case of tie. B. The right to vote like other members of the House. C. No right to vote. D. Two votes, one in ordinary course and other in case of tie. इसका राइट आंसर है ए, द राइट टू वोट ओनली इन केस ऑफ टाई। Financial emergency may be declared by the President under Article 352, Article 356, Article 359, Article 360. इसका राइट आंसर है डी, आर्टिकल 360। In case any question arises as to age of a judge of a high court, decision of which of the following authority shall be final as per the Constitution of India? A. President of India. B. Chief Justice of India. C. Chief Justice of High Court. D. Collegium of Supreme Court. E. None of the above. इसका राइट आंसर है ए, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया। Right to work in the Constitution can be traced in A. Fundamental rights. B. Directive principles of state policy. C. Preamble of the Constitution. D. None of the above. इसका राइट आंसर है बी, डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी। Provisions under ninth schedule. A. Can be challenged in a court of law. B. Cannot be challenged in court of law. C. Can seek opinion in a court of law. D. None of these. इसका राइट आंसर है बी, कैन नॉट चैलेंज इन ए कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ। Untouchability is abolished and its practice in any form is forbidden under A. Article 14 of the Constitution. B. Article 16 of the Constitution. C. Article 17 of the Constitution. D. Article 19 of the Constitution. इसका राइट आंसर है सी, आर्टिकल 17 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। Who, in respect of every financial year, cause to be laid before both the Houses of Parliament a statement of the estimated receipts and expenditure of the Government of India for the year, which is known as Annual Financial Statement. A. President. B. Prime Minister. C. Finance Minister. D. Speaker of the House. इसका राइट आंसर है ए प्रेसिडेंट. Right under Article 19R. A. Available to all persons in India. B. Available only to citizens of India. C. Are available to persons of foreign origin. D. Both B and C above. इसका राइट आंसर है बी. अवेलेबल ओनली टू सिटीजन्स ऑफ इंडिया. Which of the following observation was not made by the court through Justice J.R. Verma as he then was in Nilbati Bahera vs. State of Odisha, AR 1993, SC 1960, A. The award of compensation in a proceeding under Article 32 or Article 226 is a remedy available in public law. B. The remedy is based on strict liability for contravention of fundamental right. C. The doctrine of sovereign immunity is not applicable in case of violation of fundamental rights. D. The compensation payable shall be ex gratia. इसका राइट आंसर है सी. द डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ सोवरन इम्यूनिटी इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल इन केस ऑफ वायलेशन ऑफ फंडामेंटल राइट्स. In case of repugnancy between the law made by the Parliament and law made by the state legislature with respect to any matter enumerated in concurrent list. A. By virtue of Article 246 of the Constitution of India, law made by the Parliament shall prevail. B. By virtue of Article 246 of the Constitution of India, law made by state parliament shall prevail. C. By virtue of Article 254 of Constitution of India, law made by Parliament shall prevail. D. By virtue of Article 254 of Constitution of India, law made by state legislature shall prevail. इसका राइट आंसर है सी. बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ आर्टिकल 254 ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया, लॉ मेड बाय पार्लियामेंट शैल प्रिवेल. By which of the following constitutional amendment clause 4b was added to Article 16 of the Constitution? 80th, 82nd, 81st, 85th. इसका राइट आंसर है सी. 81st. Article 368, Clause 4, inserted by the 42nd Amendment of the Constitution 1976, declared as invalid by the Supreme Court, in which one of the following cases it was held? A. Indira Gandhi versus Rajnarayan. B. Kisan Bharti versus State of Kerala. C. Minerva Mills versus Union of India. D. Golaknath versus State of Punjab. इसका राइट आंसर है सी. मिनर्वा मिल्स वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया. Doctrine of eclipse means A. Laws cannot be applied retrospectively. B. Pre-constitutional laws inconsistent with the fundamental rights are null and void. C. Pre-constitutional laws inconsistent with the fundamental rights remain dormant but not dead. D. None of the above. इसका राइट आंसर है सी. प्री कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल लॉज इनकंसिस्टेंट विद द फंडामेंटल राइट्स रिमेन डोरमेंट बट नॉट डेड. Consider the following statements. A member of the State Public Service Commission can be removed only by the A. Governor on the ground of his misbehavior. B. President on the ground of his infirmity of body or mind. C. Governor when such member become insolvent. D. President on the ground of misbehavior after receiving report of the Supreme Court after due inquiry. इसका राइट आंसर है ए. गवर्नर ऑन द ग्राउंड ऑफ हिज मिसबिहेवियर. In accordance with the text of the Constitution, a reasonable restriction in the interest of sovereignty and integrity of India can be imposed on the right to a. Freedom of speech and expression. B. Move freely throughout the territory of India. C. Reside and settle in any part of the territory of India. D. Carry on any occupation, trade or business. इसका राइट आंसर है ए. फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच एंड एक्सप्रेशन. विच आर्टिकल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया गिव्स पावर टू द प्रेसिडेंट टू कंसल्ट द सुप्रीम कोर्ट. आर्टिकल 141, आर्टिकल 145, आर्टिकल 143, आर्टिकल 147. इसका राइट आंसर है सी. आर्टिकल 143.